What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I've been in San Francisco for a little while now, but I haven't really got a chance to show you around quite yet, but that is going to change today. When I come to a new city, I like to get high. I like to get as high as possible, and no, I'm not talking, no, I'm not talking about that, although San Francisco will be a great city for that. I'm talking about getting as high as possible to get the best views of any given city. So today I'm going to be showing you 7 of the best places to get the most amazing views here in San Francisco. And I'm starting right here at Battery Spencer Viewpoint, which is just across the Golden Gate Bridge in the Marin Headlands. And it's probably my favorite because you get stunning views of the Golden Gate Bridge right up close with the city in the background. Take a look. So before we head to our next stop, we're after stopping in Soul Food. Where are we? Mill Valley? Yeah. I'm getting these insane sandwiches. Buzzing and needed before we head to our next stop, which is Dolores Park, which is such a hot spot for people just to come around, sit down and chill out. It's very busy on a particular day of the year in April, as far as I know. On a sunny day, it's hard to even get a patch of grass in this place, but the views are really outstanding and it's a beautiful place to chill and relax for the day. So if you're looking for somewhere that has a nice view, this is the spot for you. Stunning spot, checked off the list. That is Dolores Park. Definitely come here if you just want to chill out, relax in the sun. I see people are just out here eating, drinking, chilling. So definitely worth a stop. Now on to the next stop, let's go. So this brings us to our next stop, which is Coit Tower, which you can probably see behind me. It's quite big. It stands on the top of the hill of Telegraph. It was completed in 1933 and there's loads of art inside, but the best feature is there's an elevator that takes you to the top floor and you have 360 views of the whole city. It is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to show you. Coit Tower, 360 views of the whole city. I think that could be the best all-rounder view of the city because you can see absolutely everything, and Coit Tower is so magnificent, so that could be the top dog if you're looking for views in the city, but not the end of our day. Okay, so the next stop on our list is Twin Peaks, and honestly you can't get much higher than this, and it has some of the best views in the city, full 360 of the city, and you can see all the landmarks. If you don't know where Twin Peaks is, if you're in the city, all you have to do is look for this tower. You can see it anywhere, follow that, and you'll end up here with some of the best views. Let's go check it out. It's really windy right now, so I'm not sure you can hear me, but the views just everywhere. As I said, 360. Amazing. Without a shadow of a doubt, yes, I would highly recommend doing Twin Peaks, but on to our next spot. Our next stop is Grand View, which isn't too far away from Twin Peaks. As you can see, it's in the background there. And this is just a little short climb, a little bit of a different angle, different view, but let's check it out. The benefit of Grand View is that you get unbelievable views over the Sunset, Richmond District, and you also get phenomenal views of Golden Gate Park, and you can see the way it splits through the Richmond and Sunset. Definitely worth a trip. The Land's End Trail, because it is arguably one of my favorite views in this city, probably because you get to see the incredible Golden Gate Bridge from here. Not only that, the Land's End Trail is absolutely stunning. There's so much nice scenery. Probably take you about an hour to do the full thing, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I really do think this is one of my favorite views, purely because the trail that associates with it is just so nice, so peaceful, so many nice views. Constantly see the Golden Gate Bridge popping out. Definitely worth it. So we started our day across one bridge, the Golden Gate Bridge, but we are finishing our day here just across the Bay Bridge. Well, kind of halfway across. We've made it to Treasure Island. Treasure Island is a man-made island that kind of connects both parts of the Bay Bridge going over to the East Bay, but it is absolutely amazing for sunsets. It's so beautiful, especially down on Treasure Island, but if you're a little bit sneaky and you can get to this point just over the bridge, you will find the best sunset in San Francisco. It is absolutely stunning. So we are gonna wait around here, try catch the sunset. But thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked, subscribed, anything to this video, thank you so much. And if you did it, I really, really appreciate it. And let's wait around and see if we catch the sunset. Until next time.